So here I'm going to run a scenario in which I'm going to show the use of incompatibility in the compartment based resource. So for that, I have taken one example wherein there are three different type of products. One is pickle, the bread, and the jaggery. And there are three different orders, three different sales orders for three different customers, each having two products. So the whole idea is, if product one, for example, pickles, have got planned in one compartment, then none of the two products must be planned in the similar compartment. So I'm going to execute this by the use of incompatibilities. And for that, what I have done, I have created a compartment based means of transport and I have assigned a resource to it. Then I have created transportation lanes containing above means of transport. I have created incompatibility and incompatibilities. Why I have written so? Because I have done this scenario in two ways. One, using a single incompatibility with a specific setting, and second is combination of different incompatibilities for this condition for incompatibility. And the final one is incompatibility settings profile, which ultimately the optimizer will be using, and it will be taking the similar kind of products and will be planning it in one compartment. So at first I'm going to show you, so I'm done with the creation of sales orders and means of transport and the resource and the transportation lanes. So I'm basically going to show you the incompatibility. So this is the incompatibility which I have created for this scenario. So as I told that I have done it in two ways. So the first way is I have created this incompatibility for this incompatibility type. And I have selected this setting, which is known as identical values only, which simply states that using this condition, only identical values will be planned in a specific compartment once the optimizer will be reading this. So I'm going to show you this condition wherein for these three different products, I have given three different results. And that's the reason when this incompatibility is going to read this accordingly, it will be planning. Okay. And the second way, when I have done it, I have not ticked it and I have used conditions and different results, and I have given different six different incompatibilities, and using this I have done the planning and the execution, and it have been done successfully. So now I'm going to transportation cockpit and I'll be running you through it. And in this planning profile, I have given the relevant incompatibility settings profile in which I have defined this incompatibility. So let's go to the transportation cockpit, and I'll show you that there are three sales orders, out of which 6 freight units are created. So these are the sales orders that I've created: 425, 426, and 427. So I'll select this and I will plan it through optimizer, and I'll show you the result. Selected entries with all resources. And so as you see, it have created one freight order for these 6 freight units. I'm going to save it. And as you see that this is the freight order which it have created. So I'm going to open this freight order in here. And at the item level, I'm going to show you that how it have used the compartment. So as you see that there are three compartments in this means of transport, and this in the means of transport, and this is the resource which I've got used in the means of transport ZTRK, which I have shown in the prerequisites slide. And this is the resource. So there are three compartments. So in the first compartment, it have planned the product 2. In the in the third compartment, it have planned the product 1, and in the second compartment, it have planned the third product. So this is how, using incompatibility, this particular scenario have worked, and no two different products are in the similar compartment, which was the entire intent of this entire scenario. Thank you so much.